This is Mark Brandon with a 5-minute drill on truck 882. It's like new condition. It's a 2022 GMC G4500. It has less than 100 miles. The wheelbase is 105 inches. It's two-wheel drive. It's got a V8 gasoline engine. The overall length of this vehicle is 272 inches. The overall height is 108 inches. Headroom inside is 72 inches. It's a McCoy Miller box. It's been completely repainted. Has new rotary and pad latches, new gaskets on all doors and compartments, new Willen sirens and speakers, new Willen LED lights. It has a 300-watt trip-light inverter charger, a new Pro Air HVAC system. The body configuration consists of left front, left forward compartment, with our inverter and adjustable shelf, wheel well drawer, rear compartment, the adjustable shelf, new bumper with flip-up step, rear entry, striker rail and attendant seat, forward and aft action areas, has a walk-through, ALS in and out cabinets, right rear compartment, small rear compartment, curbside door, walk through, new control console, front compartment, front rear battery compartment with slide out tray, if you have any questions about unit 882, please call 1-833-ReMount or visit our website, www.renterprises.llc. Thank you.